Hey good people, welcome back to Freedom with Frida. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Frida Nguku and this is the best place for you, so subscribe and join the family. Guess who is in my house?
Hello.
Hebu karibia hapa. I'm sure you've seen Yvonne. There's a video I did about my friends. Yvonne, will you watch your video?
So many videos.
I know.
Hey,
You remember? You remember, guys? There's a time I lost my job and someone gave me 20k to go and start a mtush business.
Ilikuwa feast, please. Not.
This woman is rich.
Everything's unfolding as it should. I would be more grateful.
Ilikuwa feast yangu nilimpea.
So she gave me all her help, freaking 20k. So this is introduce.
This is Yvonne Chebet. Anatokea huko Rolling Hills of Nandi County.
Yes.
Sisi ndio tunakaa Kapsabet kwa champions. Sisi ndio hao watu.
Sisi yeye ndio watu wa kukimbia.
Manager usione size ya mwili. Tafikiria kukimbia na mimi are not the same page. Management tunakubaliwa kunaona.
And I manage runners Kapsabet. So she comes from Kapsabet. She just arrived yesterday here for a staycation, a getaway, a staycation. Just kutoka Kapsabet at Ayatembe. She works with county. I know wale wa county guys. I know wale wako na pesa. I know watu wako na pesa. Yvonne Chebet.
Yes.
From Maseno, that's where we got to know each other.
16 years.
20. Why I find an account? When I was in 4th year, she was in 1st year. Can you imagine, guys?
Imagine. Saina mpita kwa
height. Mtoi.
Kwa
weight. Kwa height. Weight na.
Mimi ni mrefu.
Asonga huko nyuma.
Watu tuone. Sura ni mrefu.
Let me inamisha this camera. By the way, Yvonne, you can't be taller than me.
Taller? Alas, niliona.
Watu sima na mabele. Oh, nywele achana nywele. Anyway, so Yvonne came back and last year Yvonne went to China, my friend. Nikwambia watu wa kukimbia, sijui alikimbia kama alienda ndege. So we are here to talk a little bit. She brought me a present and that's what we want to show you guys. So hii present imekaa na Yvonne since last year. Oh, niko na present yako kutoka China. You need to get people, friends who go to China. Or letter present. So she brought me a very, very beautiful present. I was so touched. Nikolai kata mimi naenda Dubai next year. Ndio nilete vitu vya Dubai.
Na nilete gift.
Yani kuletea gift ya Dubai.
So nikupatie hivi.
So here is my present. Guess what it is? Let me hear before I open it. Let me on the comment section below what you think it is. It's an apple present. Do you know it's apple?
It's apple.
The apple company.
Apple yambao.
So this is how it looks like. You see that?
Yeah.
That's how it was packaged. Now let me tell you guys, when this thing arrived, I was like, this will be a very good art. Ya kuweka kwa like, you know, kwa nini ya wall hanging. Because it has this thing which I thought now maybe this is where I need to hang it like that. Yeah. That was my thinking. And Yvonne, please show me what you did. So here is a present. So there are different ways of design. So we want to take us through.
So now, this item iliundwa hivi so that I think initially alichukua piece ya mbao. Akakata kwanza the shape because there are so many other shapes niliona. Kuna ingine ya elephant. Elephant shape, so this was like the mgongo ya elephant and then hapa ni kichwa hapa hivi.
Okay.
Yeah, but then the hapa hizi science and inaendelea hapa ndani ni the same thing.
Okay.
So I think the first thing wanaanza ni connect hizi mbao because I think I see bamboo somewhere.
Yeah.
Kuna bamboo alafu kuna mbao fulani hapa katikati and then the same. So I think it's compressed kwanza.
Sorry.
And then ndio wanaanza kukata. So I think wanaingisha kuna mashine unaingisha ndani.
In a drill kitu
kama ile kukata nyama mfupa
because it's continuous. I
break so you know unaweza pull as long as this.
Yes.
And actually inaweza enter clear.
Yeah.
So I think this was the idea, but then now how to use it
is what I
just have to use the opposite side.
Yeah.
Yes. Now I wonder mbona ikikuwa hivi
ina
inataka
stretch
na
like
huku inakataa
hivi.
kuenda. I think there are things the Chinese did here.
Wamefikiria,
Chinese
yes.
ni chawi wako nayo.
By the way.
So now ikiwa hivi the stand here wanafaa walikuwekea hapo stand twistable.
Yeah, twistable.
Twistable so
Yeah.
that
Actually, this I think this twisting is when your packaging is usibebe like paper venye iko imewekwa
hivyo
ingekuwa easy kuilisha.
So I consider kubeba and now wameiweka such that huku ni kubwa na huku ni ndogo. You can't twist this thing hivi 360.
Yeah.
Hawezi.
It is one way.
Just one way. Yeah. So now once umeitwist hivyo
can stand kwa table.
Yeah.
Guys, now ikisimama hivi mimi nilikuwa naona ni hivyo. I've just gotten something to place on my mini table ama nichukue niangushe hii niweke kwa wall. Nilikuwa naona sasa unajua ikilala kwa wall hivi ingekaa supu pia. Imagine now with colors inaweza kaa. Yes, ama tuseme hii background ni black.
Yes.
But now until you want to me
you can just twist it out hivi.
Yeah.
Na uweke hivyo at an angle.
Yes.
Hivyo tu. Imagine
it looks so pretty kwa table. People are like, what is that?
Look at it from the other side. Inakaa ni kama
kitu
ndani somehow. Iko na
iko
na perspective,
kuna vile
inakaa 3D tena,
Oh yeah.
Inakaa hivyo. Ikikaa hivyo pia ni poa.
Ni poa, ona hivyo.
Ona. Iko tu na style nyingi watuambia iko na all those styles ya kuweza kuiweka. But the best actually and the main intended purpose ilikuwa holder. Now holder in the sense that now ukisha twist hivi, yeah, so now you have a base. Now ukisha twist hivi, hii nyingine inaingia ndani.
And this other side.
On this other side.
Yeah. Inaweza kaa hivi sasa.
Yes.
So ni kama katika
actually ikiwa unaenda picnic hizo unabebea fruits.
Please look at this. And then ni strong. Like kuna nyingine ukitwist the other side inafanya hivi.
Yeah, but this
other side is strong. Yeah, it looks like a kikapu, guys. Like it's so pretty. So unaweza weka fruits.
Yes.
Unaweza tuna fruits.
Weka remote.
Weke remote. Because this is what I've been using it for before I figured out.
Hata coral reefs. Hata some people wanapangia hata flowers zinaenda hivi round.
Ungeleta hizi vitu tuuze wewe.
The Kikuyu is both. Lakini niko na So that is, I think the main intended purpose of it ilikuwa holder.
Yeah.
And that is how it looks.
A pretty holder.
Yes, a very pretty one.
Yeah, so you can just place it kwa table, mali ama whatever in that area ikushikie vitu. Because like for me remote zangu zinawa chini ya hiyo holder chini ya meza hapo chini.
Hata unaweza weka saa, unaweza weka jewelry, unaweza weka jewelry, so many things. Coral reefs zile ama zile mawe zinatokotwa kwa mtoni nitwaje? Zile kwa ocean pale. Kisha ziokotwa na zipanga hapa ndani. You can actually paint hizo mawe ndio zikuwe na colors tofauti. But this you can actually spray it.
Ndio niko nafikiria you can clear varnish shine kidogo. You can even put colors if you want. I don't know kama ita twist but you can I think it will still twist. Inaweza block but I don't think so. Because naona kama ni mbao inakuwa ngumu. Si varnish inakuwa smooth.
But varnish inaweza shikanisha.
Oh, that time when you spray.
Yes. Inaweza shikanisha ikuwe kama you're trying to block off hizi nini zisipite. But ikiwa hivi pia ni poa.
Iko sawa.
Unaiona ikiwa ni kama mbao. Yeah. But I think the beauty is weka vitu si chache but fupi ndani so that uweze kuona the beauty
of the whole thing.
The whole thing, yes. Uweze kuona beauty ya hii kitu, usiconcentrate much on
what is inside.
Yes. Yeah, hata hivyo. Kama uipange na very
like that one looks good now. Wow. So Yvonne went to Chinese. Oh, to China. Yvonne went to China and akaamua hii ndio present nimeletwa. Nimeshukuru sana. Now I need to go to Dubai or China and get something also yenye ndakuja kuonyesha hapa. We tell us something about China by the way. How is China? How is people life there? Because I know it's a
China,
developed,
it is actually a developing country, but China is interesting. Pale, I think those people are just focused and organized. I think once the government is in control, the government, because that country is communist, bado ni communist country. So the government controls everything, planning. Government owns
You
the
people
entire
like
land.
the whole thing.
Wana own the entire land ya China, landmass yote. So they plan it. Hapa pakuwe na airports, hapa railway stations, subways, hapa wakuwe na, you know, schools and everything. So, and then also wana control population. No, huko kuna policy ya one child, half a child per person.
Wow.
Hadi, now, if I'm married to you, so wewe uko entitled
If you're a man,
half a
let's start
child.
first.
Okay,
If you're a
nimekuwa
man.
half a child
To
for
me.
me, and half a child for you. Now me and you at least can have one child.
Yeah.
Huyo child anachungwa na government since ako
Azaliwe.
conceived hadi azaliwe hadi government iko rada yake, provides food, education,
Everything is taken
jobs.
care of.
So every other day they know 5 people will be born today. They ensure they have 5 more spaces in schools.
They put that in the plan.
In the planning. So I think
That helps a lot. I think that helps a lot, especially when it comes to the poor people, very poor people, and the rich. Because like in Kenya, tuko na hiyo gap, because kila mtu akishika land anachukua eka 50.
na
kuna mtu mwenye anataka just 50 by 100 huko hata mashamba ajenge kanyumba hata kama ni kama tope.
Chinese people work. They work I think 16 to 18 hours a day, and they really work. They don't have Monday, Tuesday, Sunday.
Wow, ni continuous.
Hawana hizi weekdays kama zetu.
Ati sasa weekend watu wamejaa club education waendi mahali no. Life just moves. And I think also the fact that businesses there is the core thing, is what is like everything happen. Ukitaka nini utapata China very cheaply. Ukitaka nini utapata huko, any factories. Like
I went to a factory wanaunda ndege, and immediately after hapo kuna pali wana assemble meli. So kajiuliza, if a country can make its own ndege na meli,
plane,
so that now these other things like laptops, simu, hizo ni watoto wa shule, campus students,
hiyo ndio projects zao sasa.
Hizo ndio projects zao. Handbags, hizi nguo, viatu wanaunda kwa manyumba. Some people hata wanaziunda kwa manyumba. Like these things, hata wenye wanaunda hizi big deal huko. Hii tu ni kama project tu ya wale wenye
wanangangana
tu mwenye anajikaza hapo. Mwenye sasa kwetu wangekuwa wanashona viatu mahali
pale, hii ndio kazi anafanya.
Huko sasa kila mtu ni, I think they are told to really work.
How friendly, how are people there?
They are very interesting people. Hawaongei English, it was really
hard.
You can't even ask bei ya kitu. So
how do you go about
just
that?
Communicate kwa calculator. You go pick an item, unauliza, unakuja una point hivi, unamuonyesha, anakuandikia 40 you want 40, because now they know you want hawajui shillings yetu. So you just go calculate mwenyewe 40 times ile 15 bob, because 1 yuan is 15 bob. 1 times you unaona iko juu, unamwambia no, unaandika 20, unamuonyesha, anakuambia add kidogo basi 25, so you pick it. So they do their business like, please pick, chukua tu kitu. Because you can actually bargain item moja kai, you bargain from 1,000 to 200. Because sasa unachukua na anakupatia, kufungia hadi anakupatia. Because I think also Chinese, lakini you feel like anajaribu kukwambia please tu nunua tu ongeza tu kidogo basi alafu uchukue, because unaona ziko mingi, ziko
resources ziko pia. Unajua hapa mtu anakuambianga ni so, ukimwambia 90 anakuambia madam tembea. They don't even have time, because I'm thinking Kenya we fail in like you could get this thing for like 100 bob in China, 100 bob, even 80 shillings, and then you come here you have to sell it 1,000, because by the time ikufikie Kenya umepitishia huko, imekula taxation, imekukula, umelipa sijui ni, by the time ikufikie you've already spent 1,000 plus ile 100 inakuwa 1,100. So unakuja unauza 2k ndio upata pesa yako at least, na hiyo hustle yote and waiting and energy and risking your money. You know, it comes with a lot of risk also.
Because so unapata wanaweza poteza shipment yako.
Exactly. Things can happen. So you're risking even your money.
It's actually just hard, because now, you know, in China, the government, you know, if you're now supposed to go shop for wallpapers, they have one big mall. Inaweza kuwa 100 km by 50 km. Unaona? So kwa hii mall ni wamegawa, kuna section ya food related items, kuna nguo, kuna viatu, kuna hizi suitcases na household items. So if you want to go buy stuff ya kuleta, you pick an item, mnaelewania bei, then you say the number of pieces you'd want. Inakuwa noted.
Yeah. Like so many wallpapers of
yes,
like 1,000 pieces.
So on the day ya kwenda shipping ya package, the people wanarudi kwa factory zao sasa, because hii ni display. This is like you're given a small section kwa ile mall. A small place to kwa ile mall ya kushowcase na kuuzia wachache wale wanataka wachache. But ukitaka mingi, you just place your order there. They go package it vizuri. There are 1,000 pieces zinapangwa vizuri, and then zinawekwa kwa like warehouses.
Warehouses, yes. Because I remember when I was inquiring for wallpapers to import, that mama told me when I was talking, they want to respond haraka sana. I was like, so how do I get them? Akaniambia, just choose. I'll write you an invoice, and that's what I did. I write you an invoice. Then you just go and pick the warehouse. The pieces you want to pay, you just go and pick on the warehouse. The guys who are shipping for you, what a pick warehouse. So
there are 1.4 billion people in China. Wow. And then I think government has to ensure everyone eats.
Yeah.
Everyone
basic needs at least.
At least they ensure everyone will get basic needs. So they ensure you eat. That is why you're allowed to eat anything. Hizi vitu tunadai ilileta corona, but they eat them. Hawaogopi kukula, they eat them. I don't want their
food, by the way. I love everything, and I don't even know, but everything else I love, but their food, no.
And I think food, plus sisi tulienda was uko vijiji. And so uko bado wako na ile culture, because they were looking at me and other blacks tulienda nao wanashangaa, wewe ni mweusi, how wewe ni mnono, unatoshana na because them wanatoshana, you tripod yetu wanatoshana,
and then ni wakonde
pia nani, so mtu anazeeka akiwa
hapo bado, by the way.
So wanatuangalia that you are still a girl. I told them, you have not seen my mother. Wait until you see my mother. She's a whole building.
Because here big is okay. It's we are like awe ni mkubwa tu, so kwanza kuwa mkonde sana wanasema msichana si ukule.
Government ikiwa in control,
and not a government that is not corrupt.
Yeah, kuna corrupt.
Because I can imagine if such a case happened and then that government is corrupt, things would be worse.
Yes.
Kuna hiyo inafika wanachukua kila kitu. And that's why you understand how terrible corruption is and how bad corruption has really affected us. Unafika hiyo place yenye, if it wasn't for this, like you're qualified to get this job, you're qualified to be able to produce this, yes. But for you to even have that factory, unaambiwa lipa wapi? Sijui enda ufanya nini, ndio ukuje sijui ufanye nini. Hiyo land si yako. Uko na sijui nini. After kesho akwambia tunakufuata hii kitu sijui kwenda. And it's just a thing you're making. You're just trying to make life better.
Your life.
Yeah. So it's really hard.
So I think us now here, we have to struggle to do everything for ourselves.
Yes.
You have to struggle. Growing up, una struggle kwanza usome.
Yeah.
Una struggle utafute job. Utafute ununue kashamba, ujenge, ununue kagari. You struggle all your life
unless uomoke na hao politicians ama ujipate ulifikaga now. Anyway guys, this video is already long enough, but we are going to China. We are going back. So when utakuwa unaniambia huko kwani when utakuwa
najua streets
anajua streets zote. How long are you there?
I think 3 weeks.
3 weeks?
That's good, 3 weeks
for a good time.
But anyway, in Shanghai, Shanghai, I think they have the second tallest building in the world. That building is really tall. Sisi nao wanatupeleka sisi wa Afrika, watoto wa Afrika wanatupandisha hadi 100 floor. Unaenda mnaekelewa sasa hapo kwa, I think there's a glass pen penye mnaenda kusimama kuonea sasa the whole of Shanghai.
Wow.
It is really beautiful.
I can imagine. And you know, the fact that they were develop their roads, the buildings, the kind of building that you can imagine looking at it, guys. I'll put actually a clip here. There's like a clip you showed me the other day. I'll put a clip, guys. Stay to the end, watch your clip.
Actually, after Shanghai, there's water in us around. Mtoni lakini si kama yetu hizi na flow, mtoni iko round.
But
so still, if you want to go to the other side past mtoni, walieka njia underwater. Yeah, so ili wasi distract ile meli zenye zinapita juu meli iko shughuli yake,
wewe pia unafaa
gari-
life has to move on,
Yes.
either way regardless.
Yes. So sisi tunapita chini, unaenda unatokea the other side, and then unasimama unaangalia
Unaona-
pale umetoka. Shanghai is really beautiful.
Hiyo
And
nayo
Shanghai is a financial city, alafu Beijing sijui za nini city. It's not like at kila kitu iko Nairobi.
Yeah.
You know,
Oh, that's another
Yes.
good thing.
Nairobi
Like
is-
you want a good thing, you're
Yes.
thinking how you want to go to Nairobi,
Yes.
whether you're coming from Kapsabet
Yes.
or where.
Unataka spare part Nairobi.
Yeah.
Nini, so kuna industrial city, kuna technological cities. Huko kila kitu sasa ni technology. Cameras ziko everywhere. There now kwa streets kuna cameras. Hizo cameras ziko na at least ziko connected such that kuna coordination room. Itaangalia ikiwa kuna pothole kwa barabara, it notifies the Department of Roads. If there is fire somewhere, Department of Fire wanakuwa notified, wana act promptly, because now yani they don't need to ngojea call.
Yes.
Call
And to fix
Yeah.
to now alafu anze kufuatilia.
Yeah.
You know in Kenya there's a pothole like nani anafaa kufix hii pothole. Sasa andika barua,
Ati ni
fanya
Kenya ama Kenya
proposal.
ama kura, ama county government.
Fanya proposal sisi kwa nani, alafu wakae 1 month ndio pesa itoke, ndio tukuje, yani it will take a freaking 1 year.
Kwambia
before
iko
you
kwa hiyo
fix that
financial
place.
year. Unaweza ambiwa it was not planned in
The
this
financial year.
Whatever that
Guys,
is.
we are going back to China, and if I happen to go to China, if I'm getting my second batch from China, my friend, I'm gonna vlog with you guys. You anakuwa ananiona aje mtu mweusi ana vlog, but I would love to just really have a feel of China, and also be able to shop there and see how cheap things are and good things, quality things, like wow. Okay.
Wow,
Anyway.
always yani vitu poa.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you for being on my channel.
You're welcome.
You've been of help.
Na kuanga
Next time
natajwa
anakuanga anatajawa. I'm sure you've had Yvonne
So many times.
akiwewe unasikikanga everywhere. So this is Yvonne, and talienda China peke yake.
nitampeleka next time.
Anyway, thank you guys, and thank you for this present. Let me hear in the comment section below what you think of this. What do you think of this present? And yeah, say bye.
Na kama unataka kuorder, we can do it kwa Alibaba.
Ama tutaanza kutengeneza. By the way, you can
You can
order
actually
it
order it.
online.
You know search engines za online shopping platforms huko, like Alibaba, you know, like sisi tuko na Jumia,
Yeah.
Kilimall. Now yao
Unataka
wako advanced.
photo.
You just take a photo of this, because kweli uta-search nini?
Uta-search
What is
aje.
even search? So you just take a photo and you search.
You upload the photo here and then
Inakuletea 1,000 of them. Yeah, na bei na everything.
Yeah.
Hadi inakupea sizes. You know now the way unaitisha kitu alafu unaletewa sile.
Sile.
Tunaitisha nini, umeitisha glass wanakuletea mtoto. Yeah, because now you didn't know the sizing.
Yeah.
And everything. So wow, searching zao ziko awesome.
Technology pia iko advanced. Way advanced. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Stay positive. I'm gonna leave a clip that will go around there, you can watch, see a little bit of how China really looks. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
Hey.